Well, it's Saturday morning. Today is the day I thought that would never come. We're on our way to buy a minivan. We're 35 weeks pregnant with twins, and the car seat doesn't fit. With the two boys, there just wouldn't be enough room. So we're gonna have to trade the Jeep in, get a minivan.
So here we are, we're test driving the van. She looks good driving it. There's all kinds of room back there for the little ones. I don't know, it's pretty nice. So which one should we keep? Well, looks like we're keeping the Commander.
6 days later.
So does everybody like the new car?
Yeah.